Hey guys, welcome back. Today in this video, we gonna work on one of the problem in leetcode and try to find out the solution. Also, we try to practice how we can approach in interview to a problem and impress our interviewer. Okay, so first of all, when you mean, your interviewer usually give you a description of a problem like this in the interface like this. Usually, depend of the depend of the company is different, interfaces, but always like this. You will have on left side problem or maybe a right side, and then on right side you will have a code area that you can do it with your favorite language. Actually, of course, this language should be accepted by interviewer. Okay, so binary tree upside down. So first of all, when we want to ask, when we want to start, it's important for interviewer that you read the problem very carefully and also understand it. Also asking some question to clear it for yourself. So don't jump to the solution right away. Then you will just tell to the interviewer that you want to solve this problem, for example, with iterative approach that I'm doing right now, or you want to solve it with recursive, or you want to solve it with dynamic programming. So you can say that which approach you're gonna choose and why. So for this one, we have a binary tree upside down, and so we given the root of the binary tree, and we need to turn tree upside down and return the new roots. So, and here instructions. So you can turn a binary tree upside down with the following steps. So the roots, the original left child become the root, and the original root become the right, and the original right become the left. So here you see this gonna be root, and this gonna be right, and this gonna be left. So something like this. And also in example, you will see that this binary tree gonna be like this. So 4 gonna be root for these two, and 2 gonna be root for these two. So at the end we'll have this binary tree, and so output will be something like this. And of course, traversing to the binary tree is important. So this can be first question: what will be our traverse in our tree? Indoor, pre-order, or outdoor. So then after you being asked, you can maybe ask if this description is not, is it do we have a root without children or with one children? Then you will get answer, yes, we have root with 0 children or 2 children, not one children. And here are example. You just check and look at the example. Now it's time to constraint. Now it's time for you to approach. So I tell my interviewer that my approach gonna be iterative, and yeah, and also I choose the Swift language if they are fine. Okay, so then you will have here, and you can see how you can you can define a tree here. But what I'm gonna do in iterative for Swift, first of all, I will declare my variable. So I just say variable previous type tree node optional and at the beginning gonna be nil. Also I do the next from type of tree node optional equal nil, and variable temp, which keep my data, and so from type of tree node and equal nil. So you will say where I brought tree node, I brought it from here. So it just told me that this the definition of tree node is this. So I have this. If not, I need to create this myself. And variable current equal root. So here is my tree node and this is my root. So I give it to the current. Okay, so what I do now, iterate my tree and start to make it upside down or turn it. So what do I do now here? I'm gonna, my approach is iterate, so I just say while my current is not nil. As long as it's not nil, I'm gonna do what? I'm gonna say first the next gonna be equal current dot left. But here, if you remember, we had a condition says that there is guarantee that node is gonna be 0 or 2 child. So this part you're gonna check if there is no children. Is while gonna be come out from while. Other than that, there's guarantee that we have a child, so I'm gonna force it. Other than that, I need to use question mark and also solve this in case of there is no left. Okay, so that made our job easy. So now what I do, I start swapping. So here in command, I just say swapping. And here I just say current dot left equal temp. Also I just say temp equal current dot temp and current dot right equal previous and prev equal current and current equal next. Okay, so I believe this gonna do all for us, and at the end what I need to do, I just need to return after my while finished. I just need to return prev, my new root. Okay, I believe I'm done. So let's run it. So we got error here. So what is this error? It says use of equal in Boolean context did not mean. in solutions. So it says you used equal, but I use, yeah, maybe because I need to put space between them, then let's find out that this is one operation. So let me run, not submit. So yeah, that one gone. So then I have another error which said 3 node temp in solution, maybe type mistake. No, it's correct. Oh, current.temp we don't have, current.right. Yeah, that was my mistake. And yes, current.right gonna be my temp. Okay, let's run it. Yes, so it's accepted, and you will see my input gonna be my output. So most of us at this point find out, oh, we done finally. Phew, we done finally. But no, you didn't done yet. What else you need to do? You need to come and add some test cases with your interviewer. So you need to say, okay, now let's try some other test case, and you put your test cases here. For example, I put nothing here, I put one here, I put some longer here, or something in different formats. Okay, let's run it. So I got answer for all of them, and step by step, for each of them what will be my output. So actually is accepted. So all of output was same as it's supposed to be. So at this point we done, but still one thing I missed, so which is very important. So I need to clear with my interviewer that what is time complexity and what is space complexity, which is very important. So here I just say time complexity and space complexity. So I believe time complexity, because I do iterative and there's no more loop, is O notation n, and space is O notation n again, because I have one. Yeah, this is my understanding, because here I use one temp. Also, it's going to be 2 on, but on, but 2 on as 2 on is almost same. And here we do iterative, so it should be on. You need to discuss it with your interviewer step by step, but I want to keep this video short. Okay, so now I'm gonna submit this, and yes, accepted. It's not really fast, but you will see. If you want to look at the more details, you will click here and you will see. Sometimes it's just give you this because of the running at that time. Let me submit it another time. Yeah, you will see 95. So this is not exactly that very trustable here. 33 was that time, and now because of the situation of the server was that. But if when you click on your submission accept, you will get graph of how your program worked. And here you will see memory, how it's worked, and here is the distribution and runtime in millisecond, and memory usage. So yeah, that's it for this problem and today. I hope you like this video, and don't forget to give it thumbs up if you like it, and be subscribed to have access to all of the video that I share with you guys. Some of them is just for subscribers. Okay, have a good one, and I wish the best for you. Good luck in your interview. Bye.